Hey guys, and welcome back to Race Trains. Today's video is a nice easy one. We just got some random scale rolling stock that I picked up over the last few weeks. So let's just take a look at it today. Okay, so today got three items here. I've got my first lion scale piece, and I guess my understanding is lion scale is a cheaper, like a more affordable line from Lionel, but the cars are scale, which I think is great because everyone says, Lionel's too expensive, but Lion scale, you can pick these up fairly cheap, but still get a scale car out of it. And then these two are also scale, but and well, one of them's cheaper, the other one's not. So let's just open these up. This one I got at a different Lionel store near me, not my main one. I actually have two, and it's much smaller, but they have really great prices there. Let's open this up. And it's a CSX 4-bay hopper. See underneath. Looks great. Wheels are a little tight, but that's okay. And then these two I got at my main store. Okay, we've got a modern Conrail box car, which looks really good. And then lastly, we've got a big one here. This might be trouble for my 036 curves. Like my box car. We'll see if this actually runs. And we've got a really long, I think this is a 65-foot CSX mill gondola. Look at this thing. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how that's going to run when we try to do it, but we'll see. So I'll get these things out on some track and we can take a closer look at it. Okay, so before we talk about this first car, I just want to shout out to some of my viewers who suggested I get a Lazy Susan to check out these cars. And as you can see, I've delivered. Well, actually, I should say my mom delivered. So shout out to mom because I told her what I needed and she made me one. How great is that? So thanks, mom. And thanks to the viewers for suggesting this because it was a great idea. So the first car is the Lion scale item. The detail is really good for a cheaper piece of rolling stock. We'll spin it around here and see some of the detail. Not really on that side, but where is it? Oh yeah, on this side. You can see the motors for opening those bottom hoppers. You got a chain there on the wheel. That's really cool. Yeah, you guys know I like CSX, so you can see the 4 hoppers underneath. Really nice car. All right, so let's check out the next one. All right, next up we got the modern box car, the Conrail box car. And this thing looks really cool. I like the yellow doors open, which is great. They even got the floor molded in there. That's very nice. All legible numbers here. And this was pretty cheap too, so that's nice. Still got the chain by the wheel. That's molded in though. The Lion scale was a little nicer than this, but for a scale boxcar, this looks great. And you guys know I like Conrail, so yeah. So let's check out the last car. All right, now we got the CSX gondola here. This thing is really long. There's no way this is going to run on 031, but wow, Lazy Susan works nice, even for something this long. You can fit this, I can make anything work. So yeah, you can see all the legible signage there. That's pretty cool. CSX, a quality car. I like that. Yeah, this is a little nicer detail than the box car. This is more like the Lion scale. I like the separately applied chain there. Look at that. That looks cool. And yeah. All right, so let's try and get all these on my track, and we'll run it here for a little bit. All right, guys, unfortunately, this big boy, not going to happen on 031. But if you watched my last video about my track design, you know I've got good things coming, being able to run some bigger stuff. So we'll run this thing eventually, but not today. So I just got the two cars hooked up to my Conrail engine here, so let's just run it around. All right, guys, just want to talk prices before we end the video. This gondola, I want to say, I should have it in front of me. I believe this was $85. The Conrail boxcar was $42, so that's nice and cheap. And like I said, the Lion scale item was $50. So really not too bad, not that expensive. But yeah, these are some really nice scale items from Lionel. Sorry about the gondola. Like I said, soon we'll be able to run the bigger stuff. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.